Horsburgh Scott can do the gear engineering, the drive engineering, the repair, as well as the material selections, the gear geometry, the heat treat. We have field service, reverse engineering capabilities with our electronics. So we're kind of a one-stop shop. Been here a long time and bringing along some younger individuals to backfill.
We have a variety. Most are mechanical engineers. We have aeronautical engineer, and we have a structural engineer, but for the most part mechanical engineers specializing in rotational or linear movement. The seniors here have the experience where we can work with that young person, that younger, less experienced individual, and we're willing to share our knowledge. We also have a sense of pride. I'm encouraged when I ask an individual, what do you want to do? Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now, 10 years from now? I want your position. I want to become the vice president.
And the great part about this company is they want to share that. And if you're hungry to learn, they're hungry to teach. And I think that's something you don't find everywhere. It's great. It's never the same from day to day. There's so much to learn. It's a very niche industry, which I like because that's what I also came from, was something very kind of specific. But it's unbelievable how much gears are used in everything, and you don't even realize it.
Pretty much all the departments. I work with sales, engineering, sourcing, our estimating team. I follow all projects, open gearing, new drives, and spare parts, kind of cradle to grave. If you're a mechanical engineer and getting into the field, this is probably, I would think, one of the best places to start off at. You know, same for my position, project management. Somebody that's interested in going down that road. There's so much room to learn, and it's just awesome.
You learn some of this in school, but you learn much of this on the job. And so it's very important to take and get a candidate in here and be able to train them to the specifics about, what we do, gear design and drives, and it's very interesting.
When we recruit younger individuals, they can see the experience and they can see we lead by example. I don't speak to someone that I don't want to be spoken to that way myself. I try to treat them fairly, and I think that it speaks volumes of our business.